The more you rely on G Suite for your everyday business, the more critical it is to find a solution to control and protect your G Suite data. With Synology Active Backup for G Suite, your corporate data stored on G Suite, including mails, drives, calendars, and contacts, can be backed up and centralized to Synology NAS, making it easy to restore data in case of unexpected accidents while ensuring business continuity. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of enabling users to log into Synology G Suite Recovery Portal with their G Suite credentials and to restore data on their own to reduce IT workloads so that administrators can focus on other high-value projects. Before you start, make sure your Synology NAS operating system, DSM, is running on version 6.2.2 or above, and that you have created a G Suite backup task. Besides, make sure you are using a Google Super Administrator account. Starting in DSM 6.2.2, Synology users can leverage the integration with Google Secure LDAP. It allows businesses to efficiently add G Suite accounts to a Synology NAS, so end users can log into the recovery portal with their own G Suite credentials. To start, you can also check our tutorial, How to Join Your Synology NAS to Google Secure LDAP. Here, we've already followed the steps in the tutorial to create a Google LDAP for testing purposes. We will then demonstrate how to authenticate the connection between Google LDAP service and your Synology NAS. First, sign into Google Admin Console with a Super Administrator account. Then go to Apps, LDAP. After configuring client access permissions, click Generate New Certificate to download the certificate. Then log into your DSM. Go to Control Panel, Domain LDAP, LDAP. Tick Enable LDAP Client. Choose Custom from the drop-down menu in Profile. And tick Enable CIFS Plain Text Password Authentication. Click Upload Client Certificate and import the exported certificate and private key. Click OK and Apply. A pop-up window will appear requesting your credentials generated on Google Admin Console. Switch back to Google Admin Console and click Generate New Credentials to copy the username and password. Click Apply. You will find that the connection status has been changed to Connected. You're almost done. After successfully joining your Synology NAS to Google Secure LDAP, you can now use your G Suite account to log into the web applications on Synology NAS, such as Active Backup for G Suite Portal. Go to the Control Panel, Privileges tab, select Active Backup for G Suite Portal. After switching the drop-down menu to LDAP users, you can grant G Suite users access to the Self-Service Recovery Portal. You can also set up an application portal to customize alias or ports so that users can directly access the portal without logging into DSM first. Here, you can see the login account is still DSM Local Administrator. That's why we can view all the backups from other accounts. After logging out, we can try to log in with the enabled G Suite user account. In this portal, all employees can only see their backup data. General users don't have the option to switch the view role in the upper right corner. Synology Active Backup for G Suite facilitates the restoration process with just a few clicks while easing the IT burden. What's more, it's completely license-free for unlimited accounts. To learn more about how to create a G Suite backup task on Synology NAS, or for more information about Synology Active Backup for G Suite, visit the link in the description.